Good morning. Well, yesterday was pretty satisfying. I got 30.8 miles, counting the mileage to get from Mazama village up to the rim and all of that. Made it to Thielsen Creek last night, kind of late, but I was still able to wash up and find a great site, a beautiful view this morning when the sun came up and lit the peak. Because I was so late last night, I slept in a little bit this morning and spent some time to try to sort of patch up my filter. Use some tenacious tape and one of the guy ropes from my tent to kind of wrap it up. And it's not totally sealed, but it only dribbles a little bit when I squeeze on it. Still probably gonna just not bother to filter for springs and other places that are reasonably trustworthy. But that's working okay. Did realize last night, looking at the map, I have to significantly slow my roll because I've got a local permit to enter the Jefferson Wilderness Complex on the 20th, which is Thursday. Right now it's only Sunday. And I've only got 95 miles left to go. So I think the days of 25-mile days are behind me just because I don't need to do them and will actually just complicate things. So that's fine. I had fun just proving that I still got it, can still do it. So now we can go a little bit slower. What else? Another fairly dry day today. I'm going to carry water 16 miles to 6 Horse Spring, and then that's down the hill about a third of a mile to get water. And then another dry camp. Slight correction to what I just said. I actually have 73 miles to get to the boundary, which I cannot enter until the morning of the 20th. So that gives me 4 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to do that. So I need to average about 18 miles a day. So yeah, definitely slowing my roll. Now that is a determined tree. All right, here's the Oregon Washington High Point, which is pretty anticlimactic since it's on this wide, broad saddle with nothing to recommend it. But that might be the most Oregon thing ever. So, to no one's great surprise, after doing almost 31 miles yesterday, I'm kind of wrecked today. Moving slow and stopping often. But, as I said previously, I need to slow my roll anyway, so it all works out. I'm shooting for probably 18 or 19 miles today. Got to get to another spring to pick up water. And then there's several campsites in the next few miles that I can choose from, hoping to be able to pitch my tent really early and maybe get some extra sleep tonight, which would be great because I have been shorting myself on sleep and quite a lot last night. So yeah, I'm just tired. But I think a little bit of rest will do me good. Wow. Well, today was laborious. I got 18.7 miles in, which, I mean, I guess is not that shabby, but is a huge step down from what I was doing the past few days. But those two things might be correlated. Made camp at like 6 o'clock tonight. Going to bed here about 7:30. Looking forward to getting maybe more than 8 hours of sleep. That would be great. Yeah, and tomorrow's supposed to be like 10 degrees cooler, which will be nice. I'm looking forward to that. The trail today wasn't really anything to write home about, just going through the woods, along ridges that you couldn't see much from because of the trees. But I am camped on a ridge line here where I do have a good view out to the east, and so probably the sunrise in the morning is going to be pretty nice. All right, I'm going to go to sleep now.